So you want to buy a bike. We got to find you something cool, but also something that's an okay shape. Let's talk about some basics to help you find your next bike. There are lots of places to look for used bicycles. The big two in Canada are Kijiji and Facebook Marketplace, but there's other options too. Websites like Pink Bike or the Pros Closet are specifically made for bikes and can really help narrow down your search. Events like swap meets or a bike shop that sells used bikes is another option if internet searching isn't your style. At first glance, we want to look for good and bad signs. Good signs, lots of photos, extensive documentation, clear photos. Bad signs, one or few photos, short or no description, no size listed. Blow those photos up big and look for rust, dirt, broken spokes, and flat tires before you even go look. A concern you may have is sizing. You can use the manufacturer of a bicycle you're looking at and see what size they recommend. Most times the bike company's website will have sizing recommendations for their bikes that will still apply even if the one you're looking at isn't brand new. When you go to see a bike in person, it's time to be brave and ask some questions. Get a good look at what you may end up buying. You want to find out if a bike has been serviced regularly, if wearing items like brakes, tires, or chains have been replaced as they should be. Look closely at the bike for wear, cleanliness, and signs that it has been stolen, like spray painted frames or wheels. It's also important to take the bike for a ride, shift through every gear, make sure the brakes work, and listen for pesky squeaks and rattles. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. Good signs, lots of photos, extensive documentation. Why'd you put a big word in there?
Documentation?
And you put a winky face, and I was like, winky face. Hey, this is Liam from Windsor Bike Kitchen, and today we're gonna help you buy another new bike, buy an old bike.
Buy another old bike.
Yeah, okay. Hey, this is Liam from Windsor Bike Kitchen, and today we're gonna help you find a used bicycle.